What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Rhyperior from Pokemon. Let's begin at the top center of our page and draw a circle for the front edge of the horn. Starting right in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now along the top we're going to draw a smaller circle for the tip of the horn. Let's layer a slightly larger circle in behind. So starting on the left side, go around towards the bottom, and pull that back up on the right. And we'll go out to the side and draw on the eyes. Starting from the left side of the horn, curve up and out, line this up on the right. And then from the top, angle up and in. And then we'll taper that back in behind the horn, coming in and then down. Now we want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow and the horn. Starting from the left side, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down. And then from the ends, curve in and then down. Let's tuck the pupils up underneath the brow. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle, coming around and up. And then in the top center, draw a small black dot. Let's line up at the top corners of the brow, step in towards the center, and draw a curve for the bottom edge of that center horn. And then from the ends, we're going to come up and in towards the middle with a straight line. And now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. In the center, step down, start with a point. And then from here, I'm going to curve up and then out towards the left, just lining up with the outside edge of the eyes. And then from the end, draw a straight angled line coming down and out. Let's draw the bottom of the mouth. From the bottom, we're going to step up, curve up, and then back down on the right. Let's add the fangs along the side. Starting from the left side, angle down and in, go up, add one more point, coming down and up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's connect the bottom corners of the mouth with a curve for the chin. Starting back on the left, come down the middle, and then bend that back up. Now we draw a half circle underneath the chin. Starting on the left, come down, and up. And then on the left side, we step out, curve down, and then in toward the bottom of that half circle. Let's add a curve in the center. Starting back on the left, come down, and up. Now we're going to work our way around the side of the head. Starting back on the left, angle down and in. Straight down with a short line. And go out and then down. Let's go back to the left side, draw a straight angle line going out towards the side. Now we're going to work our way back up. Start with a straight line going up. Go out with a straight angled line. And go straight up. And then we'll make our way back in towards the side of the head. Starting back on the left, angle up and in. Come down and in with a short line. Let's round up the side of the head. Starting back on the left, curve up and in to the side of the eyebrow. And then we'll add a notch. Go straight up with a short line. And then come back in. Now pull the head in behind that center horn, going up and in with a curve. Let's go back out to the side. We're going to follow that same curve, going up and in. Add a notch, coming in with a straight line, and go back up. And then again, we'll just pull that back in towards the center horn. Let's add a stone facet detail around the head. Starting from the top left, step in, start with a short line coming down on either side. Come down and in. And we'll trace that curve going in behind that center horn. go out to the side, angle down and in, and then we'll curve out and then down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top left, step down, angle down and in, go straight down with a short line, down and out, and we'll pull that all the way out towards the side of the head. Now we're going to trace out the bottom, starting back on the left, come in with a short line, come down and in, down with a short line, and down all the way down towards the bottom. Now that we've finished the head, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start from this point, step out, curve the body going out, and then down. And then from the ends, angle down and in, and then we'll add a V, down and up. Now from here we're going to draw two straight lines coming in towards the center, leaving a gap. Leaving space right in the middle, and we'll add another V, come down and up. Let's go back to the outside, draw a short angle line going out towards the side, and then come straight down towards the bottom. Now from the ends, angle down and in, and we'll add an upside down V, go up and down. Now we draw two straight angle lines coming in towards the center, leaving a gap. And then again, draw an upside down V. And now we're going to trace these stone facets along the inside. Starting from this top line, step down, a straight line going across on both sides, come down and out, and we'll trace this back in toward the middle, coming down along the side, and we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go to the outside corner, angle down and in, come down, and we'll work our way back out. Let's continue working down the legs. On the left side, curve in and then down. Let's go to the outside, step in, curve the leg going out, down, and then bending that in. And leave a gap along the bottom, step in, curve the leg coming in, and then up. Go to the right, and do the same thing. And then from the inside of the leg, step down, draw a curve, coming down, and then up. Now we're going to tuck the feet in underneath the legs. On the left side, we're going to step out, curve out, and then back in. On the inside, we'll step in, curve in, and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll add two claws on either side. Starting on the left, curve up and in. And then we'll connect the inside of the claw with a straight line. Let's separate the edge of the claw. Starting on the inside, we're going to curve up and then down. We'll separate out each of the claws. Let's add a stone in the center of the body. We start with a straight line, come down the sides, come down and in, and we'll flatten off the bottom. And we'll trace the top half along the inside, going up, and then closing off the middle. Let's add another stone on each leg. We're going to start on the left, start with a straight angle line coming down on the side, down towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom with a short line, go up and in, and then connect the top and the inside with a straight line. Let's trace out the inside of the stone, stepping down, come in, and then down. Let's go all the way back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the left side, curve the arm going out, and then down. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now we come down, draw that same curve, and then from the bottom, curve out and hook that up. Let's go to the top of the arm, draw a straight angle line going up and in. Flatten off the top with a short line going out toward the side. And then we'll work our way down along the side of the arm, starting back on the left, angle down and out. Go out with a short line. Now from here it's going to curve all the way around and then down towards the finger. Let's go back to the left side, draw a short line coming down and in, just to flatten off the tip of the finger. And then from here, curve up and in. Let's add another finger, coming down and out in a straight line. Flatten off the end. And we'll curve in and up. Let's go back to the inside of the arm, draw a straight angle line coming down and in. Draw a straight angle line coming down to right about there. And we'll tuck the thumb in behind the hand, going up and out. Let's separate the top of each finger and the thumb. From that center, curve up and then down. Go back to the middle, separate the inside finger. And then from the top of the hand, curve across and then down towards the inside of the thumb. Let's add a stone on the outside of the arm. Start from the top, draw a straight angle line coming down and in, straight down, angle down and out toward the side, and pull that up and out towards the side of the arm. Let's go back down and draw the tail coming out from underneath the body over toward the left side. So we start on the right side of the body, curve the tail coming down and out, in behind the foot. Line this up on the outside of the foot, curve out and up. And then from the end, we're going to step up and draw the top of the tail, coming down and just pull that up in behind the leg. Let's add a large stone on the end of the tail. We're going to step in, draw a straight angle line, going out. I'm just going to pull this up underneath the hand. Let's go to the outside, come down and out, come down toward the bottom, and we'll pull that down and in. Let's flatten off the bottom, come in, and just pull that up underneath the tail. Let's add some cracks along the end, starting from that bottom, and go up, and then out, go to the top, come in, and down, go to the inside, draw a short line coming out, and that's pretty much it. This is Rhyperior from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.